All right, I got the Sabre Cobalt right here. Outdoor kitchen, lots of storage. Woo, buddy. Solid steps, 2 cold ACs, solar, 2 bathrooms. Look at this. Recliners, sofa sleeper. Look at this kitchen. Oh my God, it feels so good in here. Get some cold AC. Residential appliances. Now this is a trailer. Look how much room. You got a nice sofa sleeper, fireplace, TV, 2 bathrooms. Look at this. Super nice. King size bedroom. Another cold AC. But look at this bathroom. To die for. Walk-in closets, washer and dryer connections. Look at this. Ooh.